to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to record in VRChat test 3. So let's start. So during these steps truly you will do it. So the first one is download and install Minitool video converter on your PC first, then open VRChat and be ready to capture. Do it. Step 2, run Minitool video converter, switch to screen record module and hit the click to record screen region as shown in the picture. Step number 3 is the Minitool screen recorder panel will pop up. On this panel, you can choose the recording region and audio source by default. And if you just want to record VRChat in a small window, you can choose select region and then click and drag cursor, choose the recording area, as you can see here. So let's go to the step number 4. For the recording audio source of VRChat, it's recommended to record both system audio and microphone sounds. You can click the speaker icon and the microphone icon turn to the system and microphone sounds are off. So step 5, optionally you can click settings icon, adjust more settings such as the recording saving path, quality, frame rate, duration and others. Then click OK to save the changes. And step number 6, click the red record button or press the default F6 hotkey to start recording on VRChat. During the recording process, you can press F9 to pause and resume the end recording to press F6. So guys, well, as you can see, it's pretty easy to do it. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.